So this is the pound USD analysis for Monday the 16th of October. Now let's go to the higher time frames before coming down to the execution time frame. So overall, we had a bit of consolidation. This monthly chart, we have broke to the upside. We are currently trading above the 20 period moving average on the monthly chart. Prices do appear to be in the I think I mentioned it, but do appear to be in an uptrend. We did have a retracement so far this month, but buyers have stepped into the market and have drove prices back up. So overall, long term, I suppose we can expect further moves to the upside on the pound, although there is Brexit risk. So let's go down to the time frame beneath which, below the monthly, and we've got the weekly time frame. Now we have come down, so we had a bit of a couple of retests here of the lows before breaking the higher. Now we are using the 20 period moving average as dynamic support currently. Prices have retraced all the way back from 136.57, which is the most recent high, which also correlates with the close of the Brexit candle on the weekly time frame. Now we did have a bullish week last week after seeing what I said was a what appeared to be an exhaustive, similar to an exhaustive blow off, where there was a one last push by the bears. Now the bulls have come into market. We've got a candle which closed near its highs, not exactly there, but a bit of selling. The close near its highs. So a continuation to upside is likely, and yeah, let's just see where this candle open. So we open at 133.04. So essentially 133.04. Let's just get this on the chart. 133.04. Because I'm pretty sure I've got a level at 133.50. 133.04. 133.04. So on this weekly chart, we can see the trend does appear to be heading up, retracing from the selling we've seen in regards to Brexit. The problem I have with this trend to the upside on the pound USD is the retracements. The retracements are not the retracements I like to see. I like to see retracements that are shallow, but these retracements have been quite deep, which is somewhat worrying, which suggests there's a lot of bears in the market stalking the pound a bit. I suppose a lot of Brexit related news. We did have Bank of England Governor Mark Carney say a couple of months ago that ideally we'd like to see a Brexit deal done by Christmas. I assume that's obviously so the Bank of England can act on monetary policy. But yeah, let's just look at the markets and just trade what we can see. So overall, we are in a bullish uptrend, but the heavy retracements are something to be cautious of. Unless in the week time frame. So let's go down to the daily time frame, and what can we see? So we've had a series of higher lows. We've had a bit of a deep pullback there, a gap up, and a continuation before another deep retracement all the way back down to this high time frame moving average here in black. And it's all on the daily chart. So, and we've had 5 consecutive days of bullish price momentum. Somewhat worrying is Friday the 13th, we did go all the way up to the 20 period moving average and sold off a little bit. There is a long wick to the upside. These candles, especially the 3 most recent candles, overall their bodies are small. Again, on the 12th, we did sell off quite heavily. yeah, especially in relation to this, possibly the hourly time frame, all the way back down to support at 131.47 before being brought back up. So let's just go down to the execution time frame, which is the hourly chart. Now, on the hourly charts, we can see here we've got a trend to the upside, and we've had a deep pullback to 131.47, which 131.47, which held a support. Now, we are currently into an area where we have had resistance and support in the past, 132.81 and 132.81. We do have this higher time frame moving average here in black above it, so prices are going into a bit of a squeeze at the moment. So a successful break, if prices do squeeze, consolidate, and break upwards above 33.04, as well as this higher time frame moving average, you'll be looking at short-term target 33.50, over which 34.29 is a medium-term target, and 34.88 above that. If prices do break down from here, we'll be looking at seeing if there is any reactions. There might not be reactions of the 200 period moving average, seen at 31.95. Beneath which we've also got the area previously tested, which held the support 131.47, and below that we've got 130.93. I suppose that should yes. So with pound dollar, again, we're in a bit of a consolidation. Prices are being squeezed, so a breakout is likely in light of the recent price action to the upside, and the price is finding quite a bit of support around 31.47. I would expect the breakout to be to the upside. We might see a heavier retracement than we're currently seeing at the moment as a European session opens, but my overall bias would be to the upside. I am, especially if we do hold 32.81. So that should wrap up pound dollar analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.